In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find live videos on Instagram. If you want to discover live content quickly on Instagram, the easiest place to begin is the search feature. Start by opening Instagram and tapping the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. This takes you to the area where Instagram helps you explore content, accounts, and trends. It's a useful starting point because live streams can sometimes appear through search results, especially when they're connected to popular topics or tags. Once you're in the search section, type in keywords that are likely to bring up live content. Good examples include terms like live, IG live, or hashtags related to streaming, such as live stream. The idea here is to use simple words people commonly include when they're broadcasting or promoting a live session. If you're looking for a specific topic, you can also combine your search with a niche term in your own app. But the main approach is to start with broad live related keywords so Instagram has more chances to surface active results. After entering your search, look through the available result categories. You can select the Tags tab or the Places tab to narrow down what you're seeing. The Tag section can help you find hashtag-based content that may lead you to live broadcast or recent posts connected to live events. The Places section can be helpful if live streams are associated with a location, event venue, or city. These tabs give you a more focused way to browse instead of relying only on the default results page. You should also pay attention to the top search results because Instagram may sometimes show active live streams there. If you see a result that clearly indicates someone is currently live, tap on it right away to join. This is often the fastest route, since Instagram occasionally highlights live content when it's relevant to what you searched. As a quick tip, try a few different keyword variations if your first search doesn't show much. Search results can change depending on what is currently active and how creators label their content. Keeping your terms simple usually works best. That's the process for finding live videos on Instagram using search. Follow these steps, explore the results carefully, and you'll have a much better chance of finding live content that matches what you want to watch.